Hello, I'm going to show you a knot with elastic cord that is easy to make and very long lasting and secure. It is perfect for bracelets with beads and pearls. First, place the beads or pearls onto the elastic cord and make sure that the cord you use is long enough. It should overlap on both sides about 15 centimeters or 6 inches. This way, it will be easier for you to make the final knot at the end. Place the left side cord on top of the right side cord. Bring it around one time and pull tight. Then place the right side cord on top, bring it around one time and again pull tight. Now we basically made a square knot, which already has a certain durability. Some people now cut off the ends and fix them with glue or nail polish. Although this is an option, it can be sometimes a little bit tricky with the glue and the knot may not last that long. In my opinion, it's better to tie a final knot for secure durability. For this, we do an overhand knot with both cords. Form a loop and bring the cord around and up through the loop. Do not pull it together yet. You may now recognize that this is easier to do if you left the cord longer from the beginning. Now take a thin pin, which can be a needle, a very thin screwdriver or a toothpick, and put it through the loop. Then push the knot onto the other one as close as possible and finally pull tight. Pull out the pin and use your fingernails to tighten the knots as well as possible. Then take a scissor and cut off the ends by approximately 1 to 2 millimeters, which is about half an inch. Finally, you can pull the knots into the bead or pearl to hide them. This is optional if you do not mind the knots being visible. This leaves you with a nice elastic bracelet with a secure and durable knot. If this was too quick or too confusing for you, then have a look at our step-by-step tutorial for this knot, which you can find here. If you want more tips and tutorials on jewelry making or similar topics, then subscribe to our channel.